Hi, my name is May Taylor. Thank you for joining me. In a moment, I'm going to show you top 5 reasons why a small business owner needs a sales funnel. Hopefully by the end of video, I convinced you that a sales funnel indeed converts better than a traditional website. Top 5 reasons why a small business owner needs a sales funnel. Reason number 1, only 3% of customers are ready to buy, which means you could make $100, but you make only $3 because they are a cold prospect. You need to warm them up. By using a sales funnel, you can nurture a lead. You can warm a prospect from a cold prospect to become a paid customer by offer a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? It is the freebie that you exchange with the customer, exchange their email address with them so they can get a lead magnet. That could be a mini course, a checklist, an ebook, which is just a PDF download, or could be a discount code, a coupon code, which is work best for e-commerce if you sell products or services, or if you are a plumber. And after they opt in, they fill in their name and email address, and after that you follow them up. You build a relationship with the customer by using email series. Suggest with at least 3 emails. This is a standard in the world of email marketing. You can easily set this email series up in an autoresponder. The longer a customer stays in the sales funnel or a selling process, a higher chance they will buy from you instead of your competitors. This is very important. Reason number 2, website business landing page. Which a traditional websites you may notice like that have so many links. They have homepage, products or services, about us, contact us. So many options for customer to click, so when they get confused they leave your website. Compare with a landing page. With a landing page you have only an opt-in, the opt-in form, which is a single call to action, which is can call it CTA. So they either opt in to get a freebie or they leave your website. That's why a single call to action or a landing page is convert much better than a traditional website. Reason number 3, instant gratification. When customer exchange email addresses for your content, which is you helping them to solve a specific problem that could be, for example, 5 ways to burn belly fat fast. So when after they download ebook, they study the material and then they can apply the technique that you offer in your ebook straight away. Number 4, reason number is build trust and authority. What are your products or services that can help customers? So translate, what is the specific problem that you can solve for a customer, and what is the best solution for them, which is demonstrates your USP, which is short for unique selling proposition, by build interest in your brand. So when they download your ebook, they're interested in your brand, and then they can build trust because you have useful information that help them to solve a specific problem, and also help increase a higher chance for a customer to buy from you instead of your competitors. And reason number 5, better conversion in ROI. Because with the sales funnel, you set it up once and then this automatic run is automate the sales process for you 24/7. And also because you got only one page on your website with the landing page, this is help with the highest conversions and with the ROI, which is short for return on investment. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumb up. And click subscribe button below this video and also a bell notification icon. So when I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, have yourself a good one.